Here's an updated list of 20 Ingenious tools on Amazon that are new, unique, and perfect for DIY projects and professionals alike. Each tool brings something fresh and efficient to the table, making them essential for anyone looking to enhance their toolbox. Batapav Pulse is a revolutionary tile cutting system that combines high precision with portability. This tool is engineered to handle thick ceramic and porcelain tiles with ease. Weighing approximately 22 pounds, it offers exceptional stability during use. It can handle tiles up to 24 inches in size, and its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use. Its compact design allows for easy storage, saving space in small work areas. Spray paint might seem basic, but certain high-quality spray paints like Rust-Oleum Universal provide superior coverage with fast drying times. Its spray mechanism ensures an even coat with minimal mess, making it an ideal tool for home improvement, automotive, and crafting projects. It's also available in a wide range of colors, providing versatility for various applications, from furniture restoration to outdoor metalwork. Stop Digging is a patented system designed to make digging post holes easier and faster. This innovative tool eliminates the need for traditional digging equipment, such as shovels and augers. It's ideal for fencing, deck building, and any other outdoor projects that require secure posts. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, providing maximum convenience for professional builders and DIYers. The Malco hole cutters are an essential tool for anyone working with metal. Designed for precise hole cutting in sheet metal, these cutters make the task faster and safer compared to traditional methods. They are designed to fit standard power drills, providing versatility for users. Whether you're cutting holes for ventilation, wiring, or any other application, Malco hole cutters offer consistent, clean cuts with minimal effort. Fluke Thermal Imager provides a high-tech solution for professionals in fields like electrical work, HVAC, and home inspection. This handheld device allows users to see temperature variations in real time, which is crucial for detecting problems such as overheating equipment or insulation gaps. With a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels, the imager is highly accurate and provides clear, detailed images of heat patterns. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, it's portable and easy to use, making it an essential tool for troubleshooting and maintenance. The deburring tool is an essential item for anyone working with metal or plastic components. Deburring tools are used to smooth out sharp edges after cutting or machining, ensuring safety and improved performance. The ergonomic handle ensures ease of use, while the replaceable blades extend the tool's life. Ideal for precision work, this tool is a must-have for metalworkers, machinists, and DIY enthusiasts working on projects like automotive repairs or custom fabrications. Surform Shaver is a versatile hand tool used for shaping wood, plastics, and other materials. The Surform Shaver is a great alternative to traditional sandpaper or power sanders, especially for smaller tasks. Its sharp, durable blade ensures that the material is removed cleanly without creating excessive dust, making it a great choice for woodworkers, carpenters, and anyone working on detailed craft projects. Bulb-changing tools like the Bulb Changer extension pole make replacing hard-to-reach bulbs a breeze. The ergonomic design ensures comfort while the tool is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. This tool is designed with a specialized attachment that grips light bulbs without breaking them, providing safety and convenience when changing bulbs in high-ceilinged rooms or outdoors. The vacuum plate is a highly efficient tool for professionals working with glass and heavy sheet materials. Weighing just 3 pounds, it attaches securely to flat surfaces, providing a safe and stable grip when moving materials. Its suction cup design eliminates the need for extra help, making it a must-have tool for glaziers, window installers, and contractors working with heavy materials. The fuel pipe threader is a tool used to create threaded ends on fuel pipes for easy connection and sealing. The tool is designed for professionals working with plumbing, automotive, and industrial systems. Its ergonomic handle and compact design provide easy handling while ensuring accurate thread creation. Whether it's used in the auto industry or construction projects, this tool guarantees secure connections and prevents fuel leaks, ensuring safety. OX Tools is a premium brand offering a wide variety of hand tools, including wrenches, hammers, and screwdrivers. OX tools are perfect for professionals and DIYers who demand reliability and strength in their tools. With a variety of sizes and types available, these tools are suitable for a wide range of tasks, from general construction to detailed projects. The BOW Featherboard is an essential tool for safely guiding wood through saw blades. The featherboard design allows for continuous pressure along the workpiece, keeping it aligned and preventing kickback. Ideal for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, the BOW Featherboard provides increased safety, precision, and control, resulting in smooth, accurate cuts every time. The Einhell Brillianto is a compact and efficient sander that provides smooth finishes on a variety of materials. This lightweight tool weighs around 5 pounds and features multiple speed settings, allowing for greater control over the sanding process. The Brillianto is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, portable sander that delivers professional-grade results. A tubing cutter is a must-have tool for plumbers, mechanics, and anyone working with pipe systems. Weighing just over a pound, this cutter is designed for cutting through copper, PVC, and other pipe materials. Whether you're installing new plumbing or working on a DIY project, the tubing cutter ensures a smooth, clean cut every time, saving time and effort. The chainsaw winch is an excellent tool for lifting and pulling heavy loads, especially in forestry and construction applications. Its automatic operation and easy setup ensure that it's simple to use, providing a quick, reliable solution for tough tasks. The Wacom 360 light is an incredibly efficient, portable work light that provides bright, consistent illumination in any environment. The light features an adjustable head for directing light where it's needed most, making it a perfect companion for nighttime work or dimly lit areas. Its energy-efficient LED bulbs ensure long-lasting, consistent brightness without excessive power consumption. The hidden fastening tool is designed for professionals working with decking, providing an easy solution for securing boards without visible screws. This tool is lightweight and simple to use, making it a great choice for builders and DIYers. Its advanced design allows for easy insertion of fasteners without the need for a drill, enhancing efficiency and cutting down on installation time. The circle cutter is a highly useful tool for those in woodworking and metalworking. Weighing only a few pounds, it allows for accurate, clean circles in wood, plastic, and sheet metal. The adjustable arm ensures that you can cut various diameters, making it ideal for both large and small circles. Its sturdy build and smooth cutting mechanism make it an essential tool for anyone looking to create precise, round cuts in materials for craft, construction, or repair projects.